Welcome back again to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you guys through on how to mine GramNetwork and also how to earn and accumulate the tokens, and also if it is legit or scam. Okay, so if this is your first time coming across my channel, my name is Treasure. What I share on this my channel, I share more about money making ideas and business tips. Okay, so what is GramNetwork? It is a Web3 crypto project that claims to let users mine its GRM token through a mobile app or Telegram bot. How does it work? You tap or mine regularly to earn GRM tokens. You also complete tasks for extra rewards, and you also invite through your referral. You can also earn through referral. Okay, so let me guide you through on how you mine. When you click on home here, as you can see, I am mining. So when this mining reach 100/100, then you scroll and click. This place will be showing you for you to claim. Then you tap on it and claim, and also tap on it to start mining again. Don't forget that you also earn 10 GRM token immediately you sign up using someone code. So I'll be leaving my refer code in the comment section. You use it and sign up, and you'll be getting 10 GRM immediately you sign up. Okay, so you can earn by referring, or you can earn by mining, or you earn by completing simple tasks daily. So when you click on tasks here, this is where you complete tasks and earn. Okay, when you click on all here, you complete those tasks here and earn. When you click on odds, the same thing. So this is what you'll be doing daily in order to earn extra token. Okay, so that is how to mine. When you click on home, so let's go back now. Click on wallet. This is how you will sell it if you want to sell your token now. Let me show you something. So when you look up here, you will see that I have 10.80 GRM. Okay, so if you want to sell, assuming you don't want to hold your token, you want to sell it. When you look down here, you will see that amount minimum is 15. What does that mean? Is that if you want to sell your own now, you will have minimum of 50 token and above before you can send it to another user. Okay, because it is not yet live for us to exchange it or claim it. So but the token is live, people are already trading it. Okay, so this is how we sell it. When you have minimum of 50 token or above, assuming you will type like 50, if it's 50 you want to sell, then this place that you are seeing recipient ID, you paste the person recipient ID here. The person you want to send it to will send you his or her ID, then you paste it here. When you paste it, then you click on confirm send. Then the person is going to receive the token and send you naira. Okay, so that is how it works. You can also decide to hold the token till listing date. So there is not much here. That is how to earn and accumulate the GRM token. Okay, don't forget that this video is for educational purpose only. I'm not guaranteeing you any earnings or any results here. So what you earn here depends on you and your consistency. Okay, so that is how you send out your token to another users for cash. You can also earn extra by staking, but the staking is currently not available. When it is available, you can just click on staking and stake the amount of token you want and earn extra GRM token. Okay, that is how basically to mine and accumulate. So finally, for my own personal experiences while using this app, we cannot tag this GramNetwork mining project fake, because they are not asking anybody to deposit money before you can send out your token to another users for cash. You can also send it out without depositing any money. We will tag them fake if they are asking in future to input money before you can send out. That is when we will now tag them fake. But currently now, you can mine and accumulate and send out your token to another users that want to buy and send you cash. Okay, so that is what I understand why using this particular platform. Have you cashed out while using this platform? You can also drop your comment and your own experiences while using the app. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and also share this video to another person that would like mining this project. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one.